Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. It is 10 at night. A family is watching a movie when the main character lowers his voice and reveals the secret. Can you turn it up? Maya's father asks. The dialogue is not clear through his hearing aids. Her brother points toward the next room. Please don't, the baby just fell asleep. Maya pauses the movie with the remote still in her hand. One television, three people, three different ideas of the correct volume. But tonight, the television displays a small symbol and one instruction. Join Auracast broadcast. Maya's father finds the movie in the broadcast list on his phone and sends it to his hearing aids. Her brother selects the same broadcast for his earbuds. Maya listens through the room speaker. Maya presses play. The same whispered secret reaches three people through three listening setups, each at a comfortable volume. The television is not sending three separate audio streams. It is broadcasting once. This is Auracast, and it gives Bluetooth a completely different shape. Traditional Bluetooth behaves like an invisible cable. One source forms a private connection with a listening device. Auracast behaves more like local radio. One source broadcasts and any number of compatible receivers within range can tune in. It is built on Bluetooth LE audio and three roles make it work. First is the transmitter. In our story, that is the television creating the broadcast. Second is the assistant, often a phone. It scans the area and displays available audio much like a Wi-Fi list. Third is the receiver, the hearing aids or earbuds that actually play the sound. The assistant gives the receiver the information it needs to join. Notice that phrase, tune in. The television does not negotiate a separate connection with every listener. It sends one broadcast and an unlimited number of compatible receivers within range can listen. Bluetooth advertisements announce the stream's name, language, and configuration. The sound travels separately in synchronized LE audio broadcast streams, commonly encoded with the efficient LC3 codec. A broadcast can be open, like sound from a public display. It can also be encrypted so that only people with the required access information can listen. Auracast is local, not an internet stream. The sound travels through nearby Bluetooth radio primarily in one direction. That simple change creates many possibilities. A phone could share music with several friends. A silent public television could become audible. A lecture could provide multiple languages. Public audio could reach a compatible hearing device directly. The accessibility impact may be the most important part. Instead of making one room louder for everyone, Auracast can give each listener control of personal volume and hearing settings. But there is a catch. Simply having Bluetooth does not mean a product supports Auracast. The transmitter, assistant, operating system, and listening device all need the required features. The reason this matters now is that Auracast is moving from specification pages into current Android and Samsung devices. But many phones, televisions, earbuds, and hearing aids still cannot participate. Even a Bluetooth version number alone does not guarantee the feature. That is why Auracast today resembles Wi-Fi during its early rollout. Its value grows each time another device can broadcast, discover, or receive the same standard. Now return to the family watching the movie. The character whispers the secret again. Same scene, same second, different ears, different volume. Nobody passed around one pair of headphones. Nobody forced the room to accept one listening experience. One television produced one shared broadcast. But the sound became personal at the final step. Bluetooth began by replacing a cable. Auracast turns that invisible cable into a broadcast anyone authorized and equipped can tune into. One source, many listeners. No conventional pairing ceremony. That is the new idea hiding inside Bluetooth. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish and share this episode with one friend who likes technology. I will see you in the next episode.